What is a meta-analysis? In the last part of this lecture, we are going to examine a research method that isn't used as often as the others. Meta-analyses are complex as they combine the results of various studies into one. Researchers reach out to the authors of relevant publications and ask for their data sets. They would then combine multiple data sets into a single file. Some meta-analyses examine hundreds of correlational studies or experiments. Meta-analysis allows researchers to measure the overall reliability and strength of particular effects in a variety of situations, with a variety of samples, and using a variety of research designs. Although experiments may be the gold standard in research, meta-analyses provide great value. I highly recommend that you find at least one meta-analysis for your research project and read it first. These kinds of articles generally provide a comprehensive overview of the topic of interest. We've reached the end of this lecture, and I hope you feel more comfortable with the research methods used by social psychologists. In the next lecture, you will explore the social self and how we come to understand ourselves in relation to others.